Okay, the first thing I need to do is get some pliers and take that little clamp off right there, and that boot should slide right off. So let me find some pliers. Okay, I got pulling the clamp off right here. So, okay, it came off, but it popped off and went way over there somewhere. I got to get my magnetic tool and pull it off, and find it rather. But my boot right here, okay, I had to pull that off. Now I can pull the boot off. The boot is coming right off. That's the only thing that's holding it on there. So there goes my boot right there, and you can see my inner tie rod right there. And I try to zoom in on it and get my flashlight. Right there. Okay, I'm gonna move it around a little bit, and you can hear it rather than see it. It's got a little bit of play in it, and that's what's causing the vibration. It ain't much, but that's what it is. So, okay, you can hear it. That's what's causing the problem. So I got to get my tool out and see if I can get up in there and remove it.